For the longest time, we have only had just a trickle. Yeah. So I went about a year and a half with just that, and never really done anything about it. But I finally got some time and I figured it out. I did a bunch of useless stuff, but I'm going to make this video so you don't have to do all that useless stuff. And maybe you already know the way to fix it. But I took both of these off because the hot and cold water does go there underneath the sink first for whatever reason. I'm not a plumber, I don't know. But I took this off and you will see a green little hole there. And I'll see if I can do this without spraying water. Yeah. So to be honest with you, and you can tell me in the comments because I just don't know. I don't know what that thing does. But what had happened was I took compressed air because I thought that the aerator just needed to be cleaned out. And so I sprayed. And I thought that fixed it. I thought, it was like, oh my gosh, I'm a genius. But what it actually did was it took that O-ring out. And that O-ring, hold on a second. Got hair on me. So that's the O-ring. So it took that O-ring out. And so I was like, well, maybe that works. So if I want a trickle, I can have a trickle. But this is much what I prefer. It doesn't go over the sides, and we have full power. And so I've got two sinks. So I wanted to see, just test, is it the O-ring? So I tested it over here. I blew it out, cleared out the aerator, but kept the O-ring in there. And it only gave a trickle. So I took it off, took the O-ring out, and the way to get the O-ring out is it's actually kind of hard, and I used the blower to get it out. But maybe you can use a teeny tiny screwdriver, a tech screwdriver to get it out. But it popped out, and full power. If I want half power, I got half power, whatever. So I'm very, very happy about that. So it took me 2 years to get around to do it. So maybe this video will help you not waste a lot of time like I did.